Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics in the photography world. The highly anticipated Nikon Z90. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, or hybrid creator, this rumored camera promises to shake up the APS-C segment in ways we haven't seen before. So, should you stop waiting for the Nikon Z90? Let's explore the leaks, rumors, and all the exciting potential features of this game-changing camera. A fresh take on design. Drawing inspiration from Nikon's flagship Z9, the Z90 is rumored to bring professional-level ergonomics to a smaller, more portable crop sensor format. This could mean a robust grip tailored for photographers who use hefty telephoto lenses. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrains or capturing action-packed sports moments, the Z90's rumored weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is expected to offer durability in extreme conditions. Think about it. A camera that performs equally well in the dusty savannas as it does in the rainy jungles of a tropical rainforest. Nikon seems to be gearing this model toward photographers who demand performance and reliability without compromise. The sensor. The heart of the Z90. At the core of the Z90 could be a revolutionary 33-megapixel DX format stacked sensor. This technology allows for faster data readout, reducing rolling shutter effects and significantly improving dynamic range. With Nikon's latest XP processor reportedly in the mix, we might see exceptional image quality capable of delivering stunning results for both landscapes and high-action photography. Rumored to have a burst rate of up to 20 frames per second and a buffer capable of capturing 1,000 raw images, the Z90 could easily become the ultimate tool for action-packed scenarios. Imagine capturing every detail of a cheetah's sprint or freezing the perfect moment in a high-stakes sports match. For wildlife and sports enthusiasts, this rumored feature is a game-changer. Autofocus like never before. Autofocus is where the Z90 could truly shine. Borrowing from the advanced AF system of the Z9, the Z90 might feature AI-powered subject tracking. This could mean precise eye and face detection for portraits, as well as unparalleled tracking capabilities for fast-moving animals in unpredictable environments. For wildlife photographers, this is big news. Tracking birds in flight or a lion on the move could be smoother and more accurate than ever before. The Z90 might even introduce a dedicated subject detection mode for sports and wildlife, further elevating its appeal. Video capabilities. A filmmaker's dream? The Nikon Z90 isn't just shaping up to be a stills powerhouse. It's rumored to cater to video creators as well. Potential features include 4K 60 frames per second recording, 4 ultra-smooth and detailed footage, 6K video capabilities, offering a higher resolution option for filmmakers, full sensor oversampling, ensuring crisp and sharp video quality, enhanced stabilization. With 6 stops of in-body image stabilization, this camera could eliminate the need for additional stabilizing gear in most scenarios. From vloggers to professional filmmakers, the Z90 could serve as a versatile tool for creating cinematic content on the go. Imagine shooting handheld and still achieving buttery smooth footage, thanks to Nikon's rumored stabilization advancements. Other features to watch out for. Nikon seems to be packing the Z90 with features designed for versatility and convenience, including 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, perfect for creative shooting angles, advanced wireless connectivity, for instant sharing and remote shooting, voice note recording, a handy tool for photographers who want to annotate their shots. These features indicate that Nikon is focusing on usability, making the Z90 suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios, from professional assignments to casual photography. How does the Z90 fit in Nikon's lineup? The Z90 is expected to bridge the gap between entry-level DX models and high-end full-frame cameras. It could offer a pro-grade build, advanced autofocus, and hybrid capabilities at a price point that appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals. This positions the Z90 as a direct competitor to APS-C models from Sony and Fujifilm, potentially setting a new standard in the segment. With a rumored launch in Q1 2025, Nikon fans won't have to wait long to see if the Z90 lives up to the hype. Its combination of performance, versatility, and durability could make it a must-have for photographers looking to upgrade their gear. The Nikon Z80. A worthy alternative? Alongside rumors about the Z90, whispers about another DX format mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z80, have also surfaced. Positioned as a mid-tier option, the Z80 could cater to those seeking advanced features without the price tag of a high-end model. Key rumored features include Hybrid in-body image stabilization. Combining optical and digital stabilization for smooth video and sharp images. APS-C image processor. Delivering faster processing speeds and improved autofocus performance. 4K video capabilities. With enhanced frame rates and color depth, making it a strong contender in the APS-C video market. If the Z80 becomes a reality, it could provide more choices within Nikon's DX lineup, attracting a broader audience and further solidifying Nikon's position in the mirrorless market. Nikon's strategy for the DX format. The rumored release of the Z90 and Z80 signals a significant shift in Nikon's strategy. By expanding its DX format lineup, Nikon could cater to a wider range of photographers, from beginners to professionals. This diversification could also encourage more users to invest in Nikon's growing ecosystem of DX format lenses. For current Nikon users, the Z90 and Z80 could represent exciting upgrades. For those considering a switch from other brands, these models might offer compelling reasons to leap. Why you should be excited. The Nikon Z90 promises to combine powerful performance with cutting-edge technology, making it a versatile tool for a variety of shooting styles. Whether you're capturing high-speed action, shooting cinematic videos, or documenting your adventures, this camera could deliver exceptional results. Meanwhile, the Nikon Z80 offers an affordable yet feature-packed alternative, ensuring there's something for everyone in Nikon's DX format lineup. Final thoughts. So, should you stop waiting for the Nikon Z90? If the rumors hold, this camera could redefine what an APS-C model is capable of, offering features typically reserved for higher-end cameras. With its advanced autofocus, impressive video capabilities, and rugged design, the Z90 could be the hybrid powerhouse that photographers and videographers have been waiting for. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the Nikon Z90, Z80, and all things photography. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews and updates. See you in the next video.